Hey guys, it's Smita. Welcome back to my channel. Now, you guys have often told me that you prefer something very simple for the festivals that can be done quick, which is easy, but still looks very well put together. So here it is, you guys, a no falsies, no contour, just a simple fresh face look for the festivals. Pongal and Sankranti are coming up next week. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and without further ado, let's get this started. The first step would be to smoothen your skin out so you keep it ready for the foundation or the powder, whatever you're applying next. So for that, you can either apply a moisturizer or even better, a primer. And today I'm going to be using the Rimmel Lasting Finish Primer. For foundation, I'm using a lightweight, medium coverage foundation. This is the COVERGIRL Healthy Elixir in 745. I personally prefer something very light on my skin. It's okay if some of the imperfections show through because it's a festival and the focus is on praying and meeting people and eating more than anything else. So I want to be as comfortable as possible. To conceal my dark circles, I'm going to be using the Photofocus concealer from Wet n Wild in medium beige. I'm just using this around my eyes to conceal, of course, my dark circles, as well as a base for my lids before I apply eyeshadows. And then I'll be setting my entire face with the Airspun loose powder using a powder puff. You can also use the concealer to spot correct in case too much of your spots or patches are showing up and you don't like it. You can use the concealer to conceal it. And for setting your face, if you don't want to set it with the loose powder, you can also use a compact powder. To define my brows as well as fill in the sparse areas, I'm using the Neutrogena eye pencil. This is very light on my eyes, so I use it as a brow pencil. You can use any brow pencil that you have. It gets done really fast with pencils as opposed to any powders or pomades. I'm filling it in very lightly so it looks defined but as natural as possible. And the look that I'm creating today is using only affordable drugstore products, so it's affordable for everybody and anybody can recreate this look. First, I'm taking a brown shade from not a basic peach palette. This is from Wet n Wild. And I'm going to take it with the Sigma E40 blending brush. And the way I'm going to hold the brush is almost at the very end. That way, there is not much control on the brush and you don't press on your lids. You apply it very lightly. So I'm going to be using this on my entire lid and softening up everything at the crease. And then with a small definer brush, I'm going to use the same shade in my entire lower lash line to soften everything up and balance it out with the lid. And then for a pop of glow, I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Shimmer Strip. I'm taking this kind of a bronzy shimmer. I'm going to be applying it on my lid using my finger. One of the most important steps in getting that traditional look is applying an eyeliner. First, to tightline my waterline, I'm going to be using the Jordana Easyliner in black. And then using the Wet n Wild liquid liner in black, I'm going to pull out a wing and I'm going to keep the line very close to the lashes because I have hooded eyes. If you have more lid space, you can go thicker on the lash line as well. I try to avoid falsies when I go simple, but I don't want to look bald in my lashes. That's why I apply a good mascara. And today I'm going to be using the Big Shot mascara from Maybelline. And that finishes the quick and simple eye makeup. I'm skipping the contouring, I'm skipping the bronzing, and I'm jumping straight to the blush. I'm taking a very light peach tone from the 10 blush palette. This is from Coastal Scents. And if you're going for that fresh face look, definitely go with a highlighter. I'm using Croissant from Coastal Scents. I'm going to very lightly dust it on my face to give that subtle glow. Because we're going for an overall simple look, I need a lip color on my lips that just enhances my natural lip color. I don't need anything very dark. So I'm going to be using Baby Berry from Jordana. I'm going to use it in the borders, and then I'm going to press my lips together just so the color spreads across evenly. And then I'm adding some lip gloss. This is Peach Petal from Revlon. And here's the final look, something that's well put together. It's simple, it's traditional, it's quick, just perfect for the festivals. Would you wear something like this for the festival? Comment below and let me know. And if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to thumbs up. For your reference, I'm including all the links to my social media accounts in the description box below. So if you plan to recreate this look for the upcoming festivals or any occasion for that matter, don't forget to tag me. Also included in the description box are all the products that I used in today's video. I love you guys so much. Happy Pongal to everybody, and I will see you soon with a brand new video. Bye guys.